I really liked what John talked about today. Friendship. Friendships are so important. And a lot of us, we have felt the need for friendships, right? We miss our friends. We miss getting to see our friends at youth group or at school or on the playground. We miss hanging out together in our houses or just in our backyards. We miss our friends. And some of us, we're worried about our friends and we don't know, how do we help them when they're going through something? What do we do? But you know what? It really made me think about ripples in water. I mean, look at this picture. How cool is that? But have you ever thought about how you don't always need the biggest rock to make a ripple? I mean, I know when my family goes, my boys always wanted to take the biggest rock, to take it and throw it in, and it makes a huge splash, and it feels like that's the best splash. But the reality is sometimes you can just take a small little rock, and if you throw it in, all of a sudden it hits the water, and then a ripple just keeps going, and it grows and grows. And in the same way, with our friends, we can do simple day-to-day things with our friends that will grow and grow and grow, that will make a bigger and bigger impact on those around us, and even grow our friendship to grow deeper with one another. So think about, what small things can we be doing? Can we call a friend when they're in need, or just to say hi? Can we send a text telling them that we're thinking of them or encouraging them? Maybe we can write them a letter. Maybe we can send them a card. Maybe we can make them a delicious batch of brownies and drop it off for them. These seem like really tiny little things that can't make a big impact. But when you think about it, these day-to-day things actually can grow and grow and grow. And over time, we see that these day-to-day things, they actually remind each other that we're loved, that we're remembered. And that grows a very deep and really, really awesome friendship. And so this week, I want you to think about, what's one small thing that you can do for a friend? Think about that. What's one small thing that you can do for a friend? Think back to maybe something that someone else did for you that you thought was so cool and so encouraging. Maybe you could do that for a friend. I know for me this week, with all the fires and things, a lot of people called and texted me. And it was weird because it's not like they could solve my problems. It's not like they could make it so that I didn't have to evacuate out of my home, which was hard. But being remembered and thought of and having people call me, it actually meant a lot. And it reminded me that my friends thought of me. And it reminded me wow, God, you're actually using people to show your love to me. So think about that today. What's one small thing that you can do to spread love to other people? What's one small thing that you can do for a friend? And remember, it may seem small, but think about the ripple effect of how it grows and grows and grows.